opportunity to review MoxieBox with my girls. MoxieBox is an art subscription box for kindergarten through 12th grade. The boxes come in grade ranges. There's K-2, 3-5, 6-8, and 9-12. We got one of each since I have girls in each grade range. This first box was a vintage circus for K-2. The box came with everything needed to do the project, which was a super nice colored pencil set, one oil pastel, scratch paper, gold framed watercolor paper, mechanical pencil, and glitter glue. The kits come with a guide that gives you step-by-step instruction and encourages the students to take their time and practice. The vintage Circus Kit taught drawing techniques. The final product was an adorable vintage circus drawing that my second grader was so proud of. Not only does this program teach you how to do art, but it also incorporates art history and appreciation. Plus, your child will learn vocabulary relevant to art. There's even a challenge activity at the end if the child wants to take it further. The next kit was the 3rd to 5th grade kit. It was a monochrome tunnel project. This kit came with black and white acrylic paint, pencil, foam adhesives, mini fairy lights, a sponge, a frame box, a palette, and paintbrushes. The guides are colorful and easy to understand. In this kit, the child learns all about what monochrome is and how to make a tunnel box. The guide even includes a link to a video and a challenge to create their own color palette. My daughter absolutely loved this project. She did need help with the final assembly with the lights, but everything else she did on her own. The final product was stupendous. My 8th grader also got the vintage circus box, but in 6th to 8th grade. This was the same basic idea as the K-2 box, but of course it took it up a notch. Not only did they draw more intricate animals, but drawing instruction went deeper as well. Plus, the MoxieBox University page was full of great information that really turned this box into an art appreciation and history unit as well. My 11th grader got the Monochrome Tunnel for 9th through 12th grade. The guides include a pacing guide as a suggestion. My kids didn't necessarily follow the pacing guides. Some did the entire project in one shot, and others took multiple days, like this daughter, to complete their project. There's all kinds of tips and reminders packed into the guides as well. Everything from protecting your clothing to how to mix paint. This tunnel was more intricate than the 3rd to 5th grade version. With this one, my daughter created a foreground which wasn't part of the 3rd to 5th grade project. I appreciate how the projects and guides were adapted to appropriately meet the grade level of the students. This tunnel was another major hit. I've never seen anything quite like it. My daughter had a great time making it. As a mom, it makes me really happy to have everything included in the box. Now, the pencil might seem overboard because everyone has pencils, but I do appreciate that the creator really has thought of everything down to the scratch paper. They were really well put together and my girls learned a ton and had so much fun with their projects. I'm going to put in the description box down below where you can find MoxieBox. You can buy past boxes individually or purchase a 1 semester or 1 school year subscription. They even have a summer subscription. MoxieBox has a monthly drawing too. Follow them on Instagram and Facebook for entry information. If you go to their website, you can also download a free art lesson. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you to MoxieBox for sending us these boxes to review. We absolutely love them and had a blast.